Hello, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show how we can deactivate a plugin from File Manager without entering the WordPress dashboard. Sometimes our WordPress dashboard or website may show some error and maybe inaccessible. So in that case, we can deactivate the culprit plugin from the cpanel file manager. So for this purpose we need to enter our cpanel files root directory. uh, so let's see. Right now I am staying in the root directory of our website file manager. So let's enter wp content, then plugins, and then we can see that our already existing plugin. Suppose we will update or deactivate our plugin called loginizer. So if we want to deactivate this temporarily, so we can rename this plugin called any keyword. Suppose I am entering here loginizer hyphen old. You can put any keyword. So if we refresh now in the plugins.php or plugins page or enter dashboard, then we can see that the plugin has been deactivated. And after deactivating, this is the process how we can deactivate. Now if we want to update this plugin with fresh latest version, latest files, then if the plugin is from WordPress org, then we can see view details, then enter WordPress org plugin page. Then we need to download this and then we will upload the plugins, downloaded plugin. The plugin has been uploaded. The plugin has been uploaded. Then we can delete the previous one or keep backup. I recommend to keep it as backup. Okay, the backup file has been added. We can now delete this one and we can extract our latest one. So we can see that loginizer plugin is staying here, and now if we refresh our plugin page, then we can see, and then we can activate again. And this is the process how we can deactivate and update the plugin from file manager in the cpanel or hosting server. So this is all for this video. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.